Are you cleaning your home every day and it still doesn't feel fresh? Does the air inside just seem off? You may be experiencing an unbalanced indoor microbiome, but don't worry. There's hope. Introducing Green Home Solutions Indoor Probiotics, the revolutionary way to restore balance to your home's air. Our proprietary probiotic blend naturally reduces allergens, mold, and odors without harsh chemicals.
Side effects of a healthy home and balanced microbiome may include fresher air throughout your home, reduced allergens, mold, and bacteria. Is definitely safe for pets, kids, and even your mother-in-law. Known to create a happier, healthier home environment, could result in fewer mysterious smells from teenagers' bedrooms. Maybe habit-forming in a good way. Side effects include effortless odor control. Previous homeowners have reported an overwhelming sense of peace and relaxation in their home. Could result in a sudden urge to invite friends over without fear of embarrassing house smells. This overwhelming sensation of a fresh, clean home will likely fade. We recommend quarterly treatments for year-round protection.